Welcome to today's market update. I'm Maya Keynes. Joining me is financial expert Eli Sterling. Thanks for being here, Eli. Let's dive right in. We've got a packed session with several market-moving headlines and some fascinating technical setups. First up, geopolitical developments out of Ukraine.
Thanks for having me, Maya. Yes, the talks between the U.S. and Ukraine have made notable progress. According to reports, they're working on a multi-point peace plan, with the U.S. even considering Article 5-style security guarantees. If Europe comes on board, this could be a game-changer for Eastern European markets and defense stocks alike.
That's huge. Now switching gears to equities, Tesla just hit an all-time high. What's driving this surge?
Absolutely. Tesla touched new highs amid growing optimism around EV demand and AI integration. Analysts expect a potential pullback mid to late 2026, possibly down 15%, followed by another leg up. A target of $600 isn't out of the question if current momentum continues.
Let's turn to bonds and inflation. Rising yields are front and center. What does that mean for investors?
Global bond yields are climbing due to European rate hikes and concerns over fiscal spending. Even if the Fed cuts rates, U.S. yields might stay elevated thanks to ongoing stimulus measures. This could weigh heavily on growth stocks and push capital toward value plays.
And finally, let's talk tech. NVIDIA is leading Asian gains driven by AI sentiment. Is this sustainable?
AI remains a powerful narrative, but valuations are getting stretched. While NVIDIA leads the charge, investors should watch for signs of froth, especially if drawdowns reach 15% or more. It's not a bubble yet, but caution is warranted.
All right, let's dig into our main technical segment. Eli, we'll start with Bitcoin. The daily chart, using the Stochastic Relative Strength Index strategy, shows interesting momentum dynamics.
Indeed, despite a bearish long-term trend, the stock RSI is signaling bullish momentum. The K-line has risen from 22.25 to 64.29, crossing above the D-line, a sign of strengthening upward pressure. However, we're not in overbought territory yet, so room for further upside exists.
What about the bigger picture? Are those moving averages telling us anything different?
Yes, the golden death cross confirms a strong downtrend. Both the 50-day and 200-day SMAs are falling with price beneath them. That said, the moving average convergence-divergence recently crossed above its signal line, suggesting a short-term bullish reversal may be underway, though the overall trend remains bearish.
So mixed signals. Let's look at Ethereum now. Using the Fibonacci retracement strategy on Ethereum Tether, when do things stand?
Ethereum is currently trading between the 23.6% and 38.2% Fibonacci levels, which suggests a shallow retracement within a larger uptrend. Buyers are stepping in at support, and if we break above 38.2%, we could see moves toward the 50% and beyond.
Interesting. And turning to stocks, NVIDIA is flying. Can you walk us through the 4-hour trend analysis?
Certainly. NVIDIA is forming higher highs and higher lows on the 4-hour chart. There was a massive volume spike on December 19th, confirming strong buying interest. As long as price stays above recent support at $182.35, the bullish case remains intact.
Before we wrap up, let's touch base on metals. Are traders rotating into commodities like gold?
Definitely. With rising yields and geopolitical uncertainty, safe haven assets like gold are seeing renewed interest. Copper prices are also climbing, reflecting expectations of continued industrial demand.
Eli, any final thoughts or key levels to watch tomorrow?
Keep an eye on Bitcoin breaking above the 50-day simple moving average near $92,380. That would signal a shift in momentum. For stocks, NVIDIA's reaction to $184 resistance will guide the next move. And globally, monitor any updates on the Ukraine-U.S. negotiations.
Great insights, Eli. Thanks for joining us today. Listeners, don't forget to check your risk exposure ahead of tomorrow's open. Until next time, I'm Maya Keynes. Stay informed and trade smart.